Okay, y'all, I found another memorial, actually. Not memorial, but I guess a marker. And I was going to walk down to it. It's not that far down the road. It's kind of interesting to get to, though, but it's not far down the road. And I'm trying to hurry up. My meeting starts shortly, so I'm trying to hurry up, too. But let me show y'all when I'm walking through all this grass-looking stuff, y'all. Oh, shit, these prickly things in my foot. Oh, my God. I got prickly things in my shoes, my foot. Oh, I just walked through a whole thing of prickly things. Y'all, I just walked in this whole thing of prickly things. Oh. I don't know what it's called, y'all, but these little things were stuck to like my socks and stuff. Jesus pieces. Never in my life. But y'all, like I said, I saw this on the went on the I guess on the street, and I wanted to come down before the meeting started, so I'm trying to hurry up to get down here and then get back. It's only got about maybe 10 minutes, 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 maybe 10 minutes. But I am walking down, y'all. So them things stuck me all my legs. Like, oh my goodness. And this is the area, y'all. It's actually just right off it's like off the road. It's a historic marker is what it says. So I'm just going down really quickly. Because it says it's a historic marker and it's over in these, not in that, but they have like a little picnic table too, but it's not really, you can't sit over there, so it don't matter. But it says the road's closed. I'm not going to the road. It says use main gate. I'm just going down to, like I said, this little mile marker over here. Not mile marker, historical marker is what it says for Fort Huachuca, y'all. It's like I said, I'm walking along the road. Literally walking along the road, y'all. And I'm trying to keep my feet up this time, as y'all can see, because the last time I stepped on all these little prickly things that was in my socks, like little thorns. I don't know what in the heck they were, but I will be careful the next time. Okay, y'all. This is all it is. Like I said, it says a historic marker. And I really want to come see what it was, because I haven't ventured through Arizona like that. So I want to come see what it was, y'all. So this is what it looks like. It says the Fort Huachuca. Make sure ain't no snakes. I don't see nothing. Okay. So it says Fort Huachuca, 1877. Situated on the southern route to the Pacific Ocean. It brought law and order to the Arizona territory, protecting settlers, miners, travelers, and migrants. Its troops won the surrender of Geronimo. Wow. Generals Pershing and Wood served here. Oh, wow. As the Army's electronic proving ground Huachuca, alone of all our military posts, remains on active status. Yeah, I just came from there, actually. I just saw the Buffalo Soldiers, so I just came from there. And they dedicated this, erected by the Arizona Society Daughters of the American Revolution, 1957. So y'all, like I said, this is the historical marker. And like I said, it's right off the highway. There's nothing to really see. I put it that way, but like I said, I definitely want to come see this historic marker and see what it was all about. Now, y'all, and these are beautiful cactus. I love these cactus and these plants, y'all. So beautiful. And they hit, like I said, they make this look so, so nice, considering they're just right off the highway. So y'all, like I said, I'm going to head back. Like I said, I just want to show y'all this, y'all, because this is my journey for the day. I'm not done yet. I got some more to show y'all, but this is, like I said, this has just been the beginning. Peace out, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next part.